What does healthy eating mean? Discover the transformative power of nourishing your body and nurturing your soul with healthy eating. Embrace a lifestyle that fuels your body with wholesome, nutrient-rich foods. Healthy eating is about more than just counting calories or restricting yourself. It's a holistic approach to food that promotes vitality, wellness, and overall balance. Let the vibrant colors of fresh fruits and vegetables grace your plate, filling you with natural goodness and providing your body with essential vitamins and minerals. Explore the joys of cooking homemade meals, where you have control over the ingredients and can infuse every bite with love and care. Fuel your body with nourishing superfoods, such as avocado, berries, and sweet potatoes, that support your immune system, boost your energy levels, and help you thrive. Stay hydrated with refreshing drinks like herbal teas and infused water, keeping your body and mind in harmony. Hydration is key to maintaining a healthy balance. Find joy in mindful eating, savoring each bite and paying attention to the signals your body sends. Eating slowly and mindfully allows you to truly enjoy your food and cultivate a positive relationship with what you nourish yourself with. Experience the incredible benefits of healthy eating, from increased energy and improved digestion to glowing skin and a stronger immune system. When you prioritize nourishing your body, you also nurture your soul, creating a foundation for overall well-being.